A mediation competition is an opportunity for students to practice and develop their ability to intervene between two disputing parties in order to bring about a compromise between them. Now, students will find participation in this competition rewarding because mediation, similar to negotiation, is a very popular way for parties to settle their disputes outside of court.
Teams of two students will act as mediators. Mediators are not to employ any knowledge of law and must remain impartial at all times. The goal for the mediators is to facilitate an effective compromise between the two disputing parties.
I chose to get involved with competitions because I thought that, aside from studying the subject, I kind of wanted to practice it in a way, not practice what I've learned, but just do something like role play kind of law, get involved in other aspects of it. And because I want to get into commercial law and corporate sort of stuff, so that's more like negotiating and things like that. So I thought that I should give it a go in a fictional setting and see if I like it, and then go from there.
For me, it was more about a confidence boost, because in semester 1 there was competition that came up which I wanted to do, but because I didn't feel I was good at it, I held back from doing it. So when January came and I started to go to law firms and events, they were talking about how they're looking for someone who isn't just achieving a 2-1 or first, but can also do something sociable as well as still achieving that. So when they were saying that to me, that really spoke to me. So when negotiation and mediation came up, I thought, okay, even though I may not be good at it, at least that way I can put it on my CV and show I did partake in something. So they were saying as well, when I went to these events, second year when you're applying for vacation scheme, these are what law firms look at as well. So when they were saying that, I was thinking ahead, so that's why I got involved in the competition. Well, I would say the most memorable thing would have to be in the final
of mediation.
So we had two parties trying to sort out issues. There were a couple, but they were getting divorced, and they were trying to come to a negotiation for something, an agreement for something.
So splitting their house, and just basically what they would do with how they would, instead of going through the courts with their divorce, they wanted to go through mediation to decide what to do.
The female, she started speaking her language, and then when that happened,
we were so confused.
We didn't know what to do because we didn't know how to respond to that. Then he started replying.
Yeah, and then we were just I think I said, can you speak English, please?
So,
it's really... I think my favourite thing about mediation is that instead of having a role where you have to do something in terms of working out maybe something like maths, or working with helping parties negotiate, you're kind of guiding them to reach an agreement. So I feel it's more realistic as well. You've got fictional clients and stuff, and they're playing their roles and how normal people would behave. I think it's quite engaging in that sense, so that's why I like about mediation. Go to the mock debates and the mock showcases that they have, so you can decide what you're interested in and what you like. Because when I went to the written one, I kind of realised that I'm not too sure, I don't think I would like doing that. But when I went to the mediation one, when we signed up for it, I really enjoyed it, and the negotiation one as well. So just make sure you go and look first and have a look at what you want to do, and then go from there.